Hello and welcome to my channel, Fight for the Sky. This is a beautiful poem about the true nature of wealth, written by Abram Joseph Ryan, who lived from 1838 until 1886, titled, Better Than Gold. Better than grandeur, better than gold, than rank and titles 1,000-fold, is a healthy body and a mind at ease, and simple pleasures that always please. A heart that can feel for another's woe, with sympathies large enough to enfold all men as brothers, is better than gold. Better than gold is a conscience clear, though toiling for bread in a humble sphere. Doubly blessed with content and health, untried by the lusts and cares of wealth. Lowly living and lofty thought adorn and ennoble a poor man's cot. For mind and morals in nature's plan are the genuine tests of a gentleman. Better than gold is the sweet repose of the sons of toil when the labors close. Better than gold is the poor man's sleep, and the balm that drops on his slumbers deep. Bring sleepy draughts on the downy bed, where luxury pillows its aching head. The toiler's simple opiate deems a shorter route to the land of dreams. Better than gold is a thinking mind that in the realm of books can find a treasure surpassing Australian ore and live with the great and gold of yore. The sage's lore and the poet's lay, the glories of empires passed away. The world's great dream will thus unfold and yield a pleasure better than gold. Better than gold is a peaceful home where all the fireside characters come. The shrine of love, the heaven of life, hallowed by mother or sister or wife. However humble the home may be, or tried with sorrow by heaven's decree, the blessings that never were bought or sold and center there are better than gold.